2 is a factor of x cubed minus 3x squared minus 6x plus 8. X plus 8. Okay, so in order for it to be a factor, what do you need to do? What do you test? Right, see if the remainder equals 0. So you can plug in negative 2 cubed minus 3 times negative 2 squared minus 6 times negative 2 plus 8. And negative 2 cubed is what? Negative 8. Negative 2 squared is 4 times 3 is negative 12. Negative 6 times negative 2 is positive 12. And plus 8, so yeah, that equals 0. So we know that x plus 2 is a factor because the remainder is 0. So then the next part says, right, to explain how you completed parts A and B, no, that's C. B, determine the remaining factors. That's what we want to do. Okay, so we've got x cubed, which has a coefficient of 1. We've got minus 3x squared minus 6x plus 8. We're dividing by x plus 2, so we've got this 2 on the outside. And we said there's nothing there, so you're dropping the 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Why is it a negative 2? Negative. Oh, and so with synthetic division, you put the opposite number on? Oh, great. Okay. So negative 2 times 1, negative 2. Negative 3 plus negative 2 is negative 5. Negative 2 times negative 5 is 10. Negative 6 plus 10 is 4. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. And 8 plus negative 8 is 0. So we've got a remainder of 0. And here are the coefficients of our quadratic. So x squared, 1x squared. What's the rest of the quadratic? Minus 5x, good, plus 4. So x plus 2 is one of the factors. And then the other factors are x and two numbers that multiply to give 4 and add to give negative 5. Negative 1 and negative 4. So my factors are x plus 2, x minus 1, and x minus 4.